Open MySQL from command prompt. Type command MySQL space -u space root space -p. Enter password. Show databases to checklist of databases. Create database for new one. Use database to select created one. Next, create table inside that database. Create database fruits catalog semicolon. Query is fired, database is added. Use fruits catalog semicolon. Database is changed or selected fruits catalog. Create table multifruit semicolon. It gives error because the syntax is wrong, and it suggests a table have at least one column. Create table multifruits open parenthesis. Fruit name varchar 255, fruit color varchar 255, fruit price decimal 10, 2 closing parenthesis and semicolon. Hit enter. Query is fired successfully. Table is created. To see the table is created in database, just type the show table semicolon. Multi-fruits table is added into a fruits catalog database. Create some more tables. Create table cements open parenthesis. Company name varchar, price int, closing parenthesis, semicolon. Query is fired. Table created. Create table grocery shop open parenthesis. Item varchar, price decimal, closing parenthesis, semicolon. To see the added tables, type show tables. Look here, the tables are added in fruits catalog, cements, grocery shop, multifruits. To describe tables, there are some commands, like show columns from cements, field, type, null, key, default, extra we will talk about in next lectures. Show columns from table name. Desc table name. Describe table name. Desc multifruits. Describe grocery shop. These all commands are used for same only to describe the table. Show. To delete or drop a table, type command drop table name. Drop table grocery shop. Query OK. Table is deleted from database. Let's check the command show tables. Look into this list. Tables in fruits catalog. Database we have only 2 tables. Cements. Multifruits. Thanks for watching.